Hey coffee lovers! Tired of waiting in long lines at the coffee shop every day? Imagine making the same creamy lattes, rich cappuccinos, and strong espressos right at home. In today's video, I'll show you 5 amazing espresso machines that can turn your kitchen into a mini cafe. From premium all-in-one brewers to budget-friendly picks, there's something here for everyone. So watch till the end, because only then you'll know which coffee machine is the best choice for you. Product number 1. DeLonghi Magnifica Plus. The DeLonghi Magnifica Plus is a feature-packed coffee maker built for people who love variety. It comes with more than 18 one-touch recipes, letting you brew espresso, cappuccinos, americanos, and even iced coffee. The touchscreen display is easy to use and allows you to save up to 4 user profiles. That means everyone in the family can store their favorite drinks with no hassle. A built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings gives you fresh grounds every time. And the latte crema system makes smooth, creamy milk froth that feels like cafe quality. Pros: huge variety of recipes, personalized user profiles. Cons: on the expensive side. Who it's for: families or coffee lovers who want options and customization. Final verdict: a premium pick that makes home brewing effortless and fun. Product number 2. Breville Barista Touch. The Breville Barista Touch is built for speed and precision. This brushed stainless steel beauty includes an integrated conical burr grinder, so you can grind beans fresh for every cup. It uses thermojet technology to heat up in just 3 seconds, faster than most machines out there. The touchscreen interface is simple, guiding you through grinding, brewing, and milk frothing in 3 easy steps. With automatic milk texturing, you can create latte art at home with no extra tools. Its digital temperature control ensures every espresso shot is rich and balanced. Pros: super fast heat-up time, professional milk frothing system. Cons: uses more power than some smaller models. Who it's for: coffee fans who want barista-style drinks at home without waiting. Final verdict: a sleek, fast, and powerful espresso machine perfect for quality seekers. Product number 3. Casabrews 3700 Essential. The Casabrews 3700 is a compact and affordable espresso machine that still delivers a punch. It runs on a 20-bar professional pump, giving you rich espresso shots with full aroma. The design is small and stylish, making it perfect for kitchens with limited space. It comes with a 43.9-ounce water tank, which is easy to remove for cleaning or refilling. A strong steam wand lets you froth milk for cappuccinos, lattes, or even practice latte art at home. It includes filters, a portafilter, and a tamper, so you can start making coffee right away. Pros: budget-friendly, compact, and stylish. Cons: semi-automatic, so it needs more effort to use. Who it's for: beginners or budget buyers who want cafe-style coffee at home. Final verdict: a starter machine that offers excellent value without cutting corners. Product number 4. Philips 3200 Series. The Philips 3200 Series is designed for simplicity and easy cleaning. With 5 drink options, including espresso, cappuccino, and latte macchiato, you can brew with a single touch. Its Latte Go frothing system has only 2 parts and no hidden tubes, so cleanup takes less than 15 seconds. The ceramic grinder ensures beans are ground evenly and last longer without wearing down. Plus, the AquaClean filter means you won't have to decale for up to 5,000 cups. The machine also includes My Coffee Choice, which lets you adjust aroma strength to your liking. Pros: very easy to clean, consistent ceramic grinder. Cons: fewer drink options than higher-end machines. Who it's for: busy people who want tasty coffee without the mess. Final verdict: a reliable and low-maintenance option for stress-free coffee brewing. Product number 5. DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Next. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Next is all about ease and personalization. It offers 13 one-touch recipes, including espresso, latte, cappuccino, americano, and even tea. The built-in burr grinder has 13 settings, giving you fresh and consistent grounds every time. Its latte crema system makes creamy milk foam, and it works with regular milk or milk alternatives. A 2.4-inch TFT display with soft-touch buttons makes navigation simple, while 3 user profiles let you save favorite recipes. Parts are removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup stress-free. Pros: user-friendly display, custom profiles for multiple people. Cons: plastic build feels less premium. Who it's for: Everyday users who want simple, customizable drinks at home. Final verdict: a balanced choice that mixes performance, variety, and ease of use. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.